Ticker symbol SOUN could be preparing for an upside. So let's go ahead and go over those probabilities now. What is up, you guys? Thank you so much for stopping by once again. This is ARCa coming at you with a ticker symbol SOUN, technicals and raw price action, threat of analysis on this happy Father's Day, you guys. Happy Father's Day to everybody out there. And yeah, I wish you a very good weekend. I hope that we can actually prepare a pretty good play for the start. Right, for the first day of the week. All right, so let's go ahead and do that now. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video with a friend so that you and them could consider joining our trading community in Discord called ARCa Bulls. With that said, let's dive right into the charts. Okay, you guys, so we're looking at SOUN on the 12-hour chart here, and I want to show you something before I actually pull up the drawings, right? So this what you're seeing here was actually a falling wedge, right? And now that falling wedge has, we can take a trend line from the top side of the wedge all the way to the bottom side of that wedge, right? And then we apply it to the top side of the breakout, and then we get that absolute top side of which was met right over here at 369. So that formation is essentially done, right? So now let's go ahead and show you what the drawings are kind of indicating, right? So now we're looking at an ascending triangle, or ascending triangle, right? We can do that. This has actually 3 targets for us to look at, okay? So I want to go ahead and just keep this as short as possible because it is Father's Day, right? So go ahead and notice right over here that we do have that 3 targets for 3 different sets of bulls, right? So this would be the first set of bulls that is used from the breakout, from the first candle breakout, right? The second set of bulls would actually be this trend line here from the center of the triangle to the top side of the triangle, right? From the center top to the center bottom. And then the last trend line is actually taken from the very beginning of the triangle over here all the way to the lowest point. So these are essentially the targets that I'm looking at on the 12-hour chart. And it looks like we can get a short-term pullback, okay, you guys, as the 4-hour RSI could be suggesting that, okay? So let's just look at that 4-hour really quick and see what it's got, right? So right down here is kind of what I'm talking about. We could get that bottom side of about 320. I would give it a range of about 327 to about 330, right? So if that's the case, then yeah, we could actually get long the market on this pretty nicely, and or I would say 325. Yeah, 325 could be that bottom, right? Because of this support right over here. Even if we load up some moving averages, we do have those. The EMA 21 located all the way down to 319. I don't know that we can go all the way down there, but I guess, we have to keep it in consideration. So once again, let's go ahead and change that support level. We'll leave it right down here at 319, and we'll draw it just like this, right? So that's essentially what I'm looking at for a bottom side, you guys. We can get that support down there and then bounce to the upside and get some of these targets, okay? So that's essentially what I'm looking at for ticker symbol SOUN. Just nice, short, and sweet here. Please remember to hit that like button. Make sure to hit that bell icon so you can be notified anytime I do release a video. And yeah, please remember first and foremost that I am not a financial advisor. Take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy or sell or hold any assets whatsoever. Okay, you guys, I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, I wish you well. Again, a very good, a very happy Father's Day, and I will catch you at the bell on Tuesday. Adios.